Hello students, today we are going to study your second chapter, teeth and microbes. Teeth are very important part of our body. Teeth give shape to our face. A young person face look good because it has teeth. Our teeth plays important role in the digestion of food and speaking clearly. Clean and shining teeth make our smile charming. We get two sets of teeth in our lifetime. First one is temporary teeth and second one is permanent teeth. Temporary teeth. When we are born, we don't have teeth. It's only after 6 to 7 months that our teeth starts growing out of the gums. After 2.5 years, we have 20 teeth. They are milk or temporary teeth. They start falling at the age of 6 or 7. Permanent teeth. They consist of 32 teeth, 16 in lower jaw and 16 in upper jaw. Molar teeth grow when person become mature. They are also called wisdom teeth. Structure of teeth. A teeth has two parts, the crown and root. The outer white part of tooth is made up of enamel. The hardest substance enamel is dentine. Inside the dentine, blood vessel and nerves are present. Kinds of teeth. There are mainly 4 types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Incisors. They have sharp edge and are used for cutting and biting the food. Canines. They help in tear food. There are 4 canine in all, 2 in each jaw. Premolars. They act like nut crackers. There are 8 premolars in all, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Fourth, molars. They help in crush, grind and mash the food. There are 12 molars, 6 in each jaw. Tooth decay. Every time we eat food, tiny bites of food get stuck between our teeth and germs start growing on them. The plaque react with sugar and produce acid. The acid affect the tooth enamel and start decaying. Care of teeth. If we take care of our teeth properly, they will remain healthy lifelong. We can take care of our teeth by following methods. We must brush our teeth properly and twice a day. Use a toothpaste which contains fluoride for brushing teeth. Clean your tongue daily with tongue cleaner. Do not eat too much sweets and chocolates. Microbes. Many tiny living things are present all around us. These tiny creatures live in the air, soil, rock, water and even in the body of plants, animals and humans. They can be seen only through microscopes. Kinds of microbes. There are 4 kinds of microbes. First is bacteria, second is virus, third is protozoa and fourth is fungi. Now, bacteria. They are very small organisms. Some are good and some are bad. Typhoid, tuberculosis, ear infection, etc. are caused by bacteria. Second, virus. Viruses are smaller than bacteria. They can only be seen by microscope. They causes disease like polio, common cold, corona, etc. Third, protozoa. They are found in soil, fresh water and ocean water. They causes malaria. Fourth, fungi. They grow on dead and decay matter and cause skin diseases like ringworm. Some fungi like yeast are useful to us. So students, this is all for your second chapter. Thank you.